kung hindi mo pahahalagahan yung sarili mo, magiging malaking question mark yung mga bagay na dapat alam mo. Like answering the question, what do you really want? And since you don't know what you want, at hindi mo tinatrato yung sarili mo as if ikaw yung pinaka-importanting tao sa buhay mo, here's what will happen. You don't know who you are. Ito worse. You don't know who you are. So how can you love yourself if you don't know yourself? How can you believe in yourself if you don't know yourself? And how can you develop a new self-image kung hindi mo rin alam ano yung gusto mo? And this is exactly why we feel lost. We feel uncertain. When we have uncertainty, we will doubt. We will fear. We will have a lot of fear. Matatakot tayo. Kasi nga, hindi natin pinapahalagahan yung sarili natin.